Hey guys, welcome back to another ScamFighter guide on getting your papers from samarket.net. You can start with the price calculator on the main page. As usual, it covers your paper type, length, academic level, and deadline. At this point, you'll see a rough estimation of your price. Press Continue to sign up for your ScamFighter account. You can use your email and password or log in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. After you log in, you'll see an order form. Here, add your topic and paper details, including the number of sources and any additional materials you wish the writer to use. At this point, you can toggle the Writer Auto Assign switch to skip the bidding process. But if you want to explore potential writers and choose the perfect expert, review the offers you get. You can check out writer profiles, see their reviews, and choose the best candidate for your requirements and budget. Press Hire to finalize the order process before making a deposit. You can include additional features like a draft, a Grammarly, or a plagiarism report. But before you confirm the payment, check out the ScamFighter review on ScamFighter. You'll find the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.